Gusto po nating padaliin, pabutihin, at paginhawain ang proseso ng pagboto. Kung kaya't nga kami po ay nakipag-partner sa iba't ibang mga malls sa buong bansa. So kayo ngayon, tinitignan nyo kung ano ba. Kumbaga, this is still a mock-up. So we are still fine-tuning. Any suggestions, any observations that you may have are most welcome. Because again, we would like to improve upon the way we do things. So, again, kumbaga, this is just the start. I'm sure that the other mall partners will also be providing their suggested backups at imbitahin namin kayo muli kung kailan man yun mangyayari.